Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to be installing our BTRB RR1156S LED turn signals. It's the bullet trim ring gloss black finish with a red inner LEDs and a red outer. There's a smoke lens. We're going to be replacing the rear turn signals, 1156 turn signals. Simple install. First thing you want to do is test operation. Right turn signal, left turn signal. Once we can confirm that, we can get started on the install. You want to start by removing the stock lens. There's a slot in the side of the lens. You take a flat blade screwdriver, stick it in that slot, and just twist it. Pops the lens right off. It's 1156 single contact bulb. Twist and remove the one side, then the other. Now we have the stock bulbs removed. You want to start by taking this black rubber O-ring and taking the blade of the screwdriver and just ease it back some, all the way around. Also, push the reflector back. Do both sides. Once you do that, you can remove your turn signals from the packaging. Screwdriver slot on the bottom of the 1156 base. They'll go in either way. Contacts on the 1156 base will fit. Install. Here's the trick. Twist the wires. That'll do is coil them up. Lay the wires flat against the LED board. Push from the center. Open to the other side. Again, twisting the wires. Coiling them up on the back. Pushing from the center. Simple install. Once you get both clusters installed, check the function. Right turn signal, left turn signal. This is a great upgrade for your bike. Simple install. Visit us on the web at www.customdynamics.com.